It's One Piece time, guys. It's OP16 pre-release, and we're on the hunt for some big cards. This is all courtesy of our local LGS. We got Hidden Temple Toys. Go check them out. You can scan the QR code there. They've got Pokemon, One Piece, all your TCG needs, toys, video games. Check them out. But let's get into the One Piece ripping time. Let's go. All right, guys. So we're gonna do half the box. We already opened up half of the box here and cut them off so it's easier to open, but let's see what we got. We're looking for Mrs. Alt Sunday, some the Luffy. I like the new X's. You tell me what you guys are looking for. That's a cool card. Ooh, and a Yamamoto. Nice. Just leave that up in a second. I could just cheat and look in the back and see if there's a leader, but I don't want to do that. We'll do a slow roll. The Jinbei, Otama, Sanji, Speed Jill, Boa. I'm not going to pronounce that. Bunko. Alright, that's fine. The 3 admirals. Goku and Wolf. Oh, one hiding back there. Borsalino. Love to see the manga of that. Sakazuki. That's a cool card right there. That doesn't look like an SR. The art on that. Sweet. Right.
A few moments later.